Cue the music. The time has come. The STIHL MS500i. Hey everyone, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. This is one of the most eagerly anticipated chainsaws out there. People have been asking about it for the last couple of years, and it has finally showed up. So today we're going to open up this STIHL MS500i, set it up, we're going to gas it up, fire it up, and let you all take a listen to how it sounds. So, I've cracked the box. So why is STIHL MS500i? It is completely unique. It's STIHL's new fuel-injected chainsaw. It's been out in Europe for the last couple of years, proving itself. Here you go. Check out this beauty. It has an incredible power-to-weight ratio. The air filtration design completely increases the filter life cycle, so the maintenance cycle is way longer. With the EFI, altitude variations kind of go away. Also, the power in the cut, as I bog this thing down, it's able to adjust in real time and keep that power on site. So, get myself a little workbench here. Alright, so I've got the bar nuts to loosen, and it looks like, has become standard practice on STIHL Pro saws, they all have the captive bar nuts. What good do captive bar nuts do? I don't lose them. How about that? They're attached to this cover, so I can't lose bar nuts when I'm out in the woods and have one rattle off, or when I go to change a chain, it doesn't fall on the ground and get lost. So. Alright, the cover's off. This thing comes with a STIHL lightweight bar. These things are awesome. The weight difference between the lightweight bar and standard bar obviously varies on bar length, but that lightweight bar just makes this a dream to run all day. So the STIHL MS500i, we're going to put on a 25-inch lightweight bar. Out of the box, it's coming with a 3.3 RS 84 driver chain. That is a full comp chain. This saw has the power to run a full comp chain and throw some monster chips. Make sure I get the right orientation. Hook it around the floating rim sprocket. Set her down into the guide bar. All right. We're in place. We're going to pre-tension this chain just a little bit before I pop the cover on, so I make sure it's going to stay in the rear groove. So when I talk about the lightweight bar, if I had a standard bar on, this thing would be a lot more front heavy and wanted to dive its nose down. So it just adds to the overall comfort while using it. Alright, we got the bar and chain on this MS500i. We're going to go throw some gas and oil in it, and then we'll fire it up and see how it sounds. Alright, my initial thoughts on this saw as I look at it. I didn't really look at it as I was unboxing it. I was too busy talking. This thing is sexy. This thing is sleek. These intake ports, it just looks awesome. So let's quick pull off the air filter cover, take a look at what they have for the air filter system. They've got STIHL's newer HD2 filtration. This is a washable filter. Lots of pleats to catch the sawdust and debris. It seals on this intake boot, nice, snug. And then this cover fits tight, so it really minimizes the amount of debris that's able to get in there. So it's got the standard STIHL flip top caps. It's It's got an adjustable oiler. I did notice when I was putting gas and oil in it, huge fuel tanks. And I've got to imagine with this new EFI design that we're going to run very efficiently. Okay, so we have a compression release right here. I'm going to push this compression release in. This is totally different on the back. I don't have the standard STIHL master control lever. I only have a primer and a stop button. So let's prime this baby up. I'm going to assume it's going to take 4 or 5 pumps on the primer. Compression release is in, brake is set, leg lock. First pull, we'll see how I look. Brake off. That simple stop button. So let's see what this restart procedure looks like. I'm going to press the compression release in, set the brake again, leg lock. That thing has acceleration. It wants to take off.